Hello everyone, thank you for watching. Actually, any snacks are not good for your health, but I found that something not to be bad for your health. Show you. Vegetable snacks. I'll take a look here. Sweet potato, tomato, spinach, and onion flavors. Sounds like good for your health. Anyway, try it. First of all, this one. Yeah, I feel onion. Um, um, this flavor is very strong. Onion. Yes, and then. Yeah, this is a sweet potato. Yes, not so sweet, but I feel sweet potato. Next, looks spinach. Yeah, definitely spinach. Yes, good, very good. And the last one, tomato. I feel a little bit sour, but I'm very good. And I feel also salty. Yeah, thought goes well with any vegetables. Very much. This is a very good. Anyway, please take a look here. Top value. Top value is a private brand of Aeon with the biggest supermarket in Japan. So top value is a very cheap and delicious. So if you can stop by Aeon, please find the top value series. You will get a lot of cheap snacks and delicious snacks. Thank you for watching. See you next Sunday. Bye.